Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Lexus door when the battery is dead. First, you'll need to find the mechanical key hidden within your key fob. This small, often overlooked key is essential for manual entry. Once you have it, look closely at the driver's side door handle. You'll find a small slot or cover where you can insert the key. Give it a firm turn to unlock the door, allowing you to gain access to your vehicle. Now that you're inside, the next step is to open the hood. Look for the hood release lever, typically located on the driver's side, often under the dashboard or near the footwell. Pull this lever firmly. You should hear a distinct pop as the primary hood latch disengages. This action prepares the hood for full opening, allowing you to access the engine compartment. With the hood open, you can now jump-start your Lexus. Connect the red positive jumper cable to the positive terminal on your Lexus battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, attach the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the other black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Lexus frame, away from the battery. Once your Lexus starts, carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection. Allow your vehicle to run for at least 10 minutes to give the battery a chance to recharge. If your battery struggles to hold a charge, it might be time for a replacement. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car fresh and ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.